benzene, not the carbocation. So that is the only difference basically between the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction and aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. But the problem with the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is that suppose a nucleophilic substitution is taking place in aromatic compound. So that means, as the name suggests, nucleophilic substitution, what would have been happening is that a nucleophile from the reagent, that is from the outside of the compound, will come into the ring, and from that ring it will eliminate one of the nucleophile. So this is basically the nucleophilic substitution. Now what happens is that when an aromatic compound is undergoing a nucleophilic substitution, then it is quite sure that one of the nucleophile is already being present in the compound. Now that nucleophile will be an electron rich species, so therefore it will be donating electron to the ring, and because of the donation of the electrons to the ring, what will happen is that the bond between the C and the nucleophile will have a partial double bond character, due to which the reaction conditions become more vigorous. So therefore we say that aromatic compounds do undergo nucleophilic substitution, but under drastic conditions. And what are those drastic conditions? Is that high temperature and high pressure. So these are the two conditions under which the nucleophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compounds takes place. Now we will discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions. So therefore, in this case, we have basically first of all the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, and then we have few of the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. Now basically, be it the preparation of aryl halides or the chemical reactions of aryl halides, it is always the electrophilic substitution reaction which will be taking place. But in some of the reactions we we will have reactions where nucleophilic substitution will also be taking place. So therefore, now first of all we will see the mechanism, and then we will go into the examples. But the most important point about the electrophilic substitution reactions is that all these reactions are carried out in the dark. Why is it so? This is because the aromatic compounds are basically highly volatile, and they are highly flammable also. So therefore what happens is that when you carry out a reaction in the light, what happens is that they get easily oxidized, or they get easily volatile, or they get easily evaporated. So we are left with nothing in the reaction. That is why the reactions of the aromatic compounds are carried out in the dark. You must be knowing that it is always being advised that the perfume bottles or any other commodity which has a fragrance, it is always being advised that you should keep it in the dark first of all, and the second thing which is being most importantly advised is that you should not keep it open. Similarly, like you see it for a kerosene oil also, that it is always being stored in the airtight containers. Because of the high volatility of the aromatic compounds, it gets evaporated very easily, and that is why the kerosene or any other commodity or any other product which has a high volatile nature, it is always being stored in the airtight container first of all, And the second important point about it is that they always being stored in the dark, because in the light again the problem of the volatility and the oxidation comes into play. And you must have noticed that most of the times or in most of the cases you will find that most of the deodorant bottles or most of the perfume bottles are basically dark in color. So that is the only reason behind it, that when you keep it in a light, or when you bring that commodity at home, you do not take much care that whether you are keeping it in the dark or you keep it in the light. So therefore, what company does is that they know that the user won't be taking so much of the care that where he or she should keep it. So therefore what they do is, to avoid that thing, what they do is they store it in the dark bottle itself. So that helps the purpose, that solves the purpose also.